Yes, there was a little bit regret. Everyone has that, obviously. But when I came here and met friends, and so everything was good then only. Like we were enjoying and all. So it wasn't for a long time.
The place doesn't matter that much. You have to learn on your own. From my friends, some of my friends are on IIT also. They told me, yeah, just the environment is great. You learn from your colleagues, and you have to end the end. You have to learn everything from yourself only. So a little bit, but not that much.
When I joined the college for the first few months, I would say uh, I thought about giving the advanced and mains exams again and switching the college. But after a few months, like when I got interested in computer science, then I thought like college doesn't matter that much, and if we focus upon the subject, that is more important.
Actually, I haven't think it in that way. I actually wanted to go in a decent college, and with as my branch should be computer science and engineering, and in IT is far good from many other college. So I am quite satisfied with it.
Frankly, it depends on the individual. But if you ask me, like a week is more than enough for getting good marks.
Go to college, attend the class, just revise on a night or some on that day itself, and for exams you prepare 1 or 2 days before the exam, and that's okay in our college.
Honestly, if you have been attend regular classes and lectures, then one night before the exam is sufficient.
Whatever taught in class is sufficient for that. Just pay attention in that, and there is no need to give a specific time for that. Just revise it once or twice before your examination, and that will be sufficient for you.
If you have a CGPA around 8 or so, you are in a great position. But if you ask me about the minimum, I would suggest to keep it at least 7.
Okay, so for minimum CGPA, I would say the minimum eligibility criteria that companies set, that is obviously the minimum that you need. But if you can make it till 8.5, or maybe if you can reach 9 something, so it will be very great. And many times what happens is during shortlisting of resumes, even though the eligibility criteria is suppose 7 CGPA, but if you have a nice CGPA, then the chances of getting selected gets higher.
From my side, I think 7.5 is more than enough to sit in and placement drive. But if you have more than 8 pointers, that's good.
Anything between 7.5 and 8 is good for placement.
For the first few months, I was focusing upon mains exam for because I thought that I would be giving it next year. But after that, for after 2-3 months, I started focusing on coding itself on computer science.
So seriously, seriously तो अभी तक नहीं किया, लेकिन हाँ. So in third year I started coding.
So I started learning Python by myself in my 4th semester. By the end of my 5th semester, I started working hard. I started doing coding seriously, and after all, you can see the results. It was really good.
I started my coding seriously in third year, and for that I also joined data structure and algorithm course in Python from Coding Ninja, and it is very helpful for me.
Yeah, seriously, I started coding before 3 months of placement. But before that, I used to keep the idea of TSA by implementing some programs on HackerRank, etc.
Yeah, so communication skills are no doubt very crucial if you want to get a decent job. So what I mean by communication skill is not your vocabulary. You can use very simple words to communicate what you want to say, but the thing is you should be able to communicate your idea with the other person, no matter how simple English you are using. So like maintaining the eye contact with the interviewer, and handling the stress or pressure when you don't know the answers in such situations. So all that contributes to your communication skills directly or indirectly.
Communication skill is very important, and it just change your personality, like it boosts your confidence.
Yeah, so communication skills are as important as the technical skills. Almost all the companies have their HR interviews. So HR interviews are basically to test the communication skills.
So yeah, communication skills is very important. We can improve it by making groups in our college, make 4 or 5 friends, and communicate with them at least 15 or 20 minutes daily basis. You can talk in English.
And I don't think so. Like the sports and all things are irrelevant in your CV if you are applying for a technical role. So if you want to add something extra in your CV, I would suggest you to go for open source contribution. Those are very much valued in your CV. So if you are participating in an open source competition or hackathons, or if you are doing some building some stuffs, or participation in some fellowship like MLH fellowship or Google Summer of Code, you can add that to your CV. That will boost your CV to a much extent. But including your sports or interests are irrelevant if you are applying to technical roles.
In my CV, I have write down playing games and cooking. Because hobbies are depend and vary to vary the person.
Yeah, there were a couple of extracurricular activities. Like I used to play chess a lot from childhood, so I mentioned it in my hobby section in my CV or resume. And also, I was into the tech blogging, so I also mentioned that thing over there. And I would say, like, yeah, it really helped. Like when you are giving interviews, you need to talk about something apart from also your academics. So if you have some hobby or if you have some interest in other things as well, so it becomes quite easy to go through the interview without stress. So overall, having some hobby or some interest will surely boost your CV.
No, I don't think so. I didn't have any extracurricular activity or hobby. It may look good or may add a little bit of value to it, but it's okay if you don't have it.
Okay. So I would say for the last few months, what you can do is you need to primarily focus upon DSA and problem solving, and uh, try to like try to communicate the code that you are writing. Suppose you did 2-3 questions in a day, so try to explain it to yourself how the whole code is working. Because when you are giving interviews, mostly in good companies, they will be asking you to explain your code. So writing a code is not the only thing that you need to do. You need to explain it as well. So this should be primary focus.
So the most important thing is your confidence. Whatever you have learned is you have learned, but the confidence is really important. So build your confidence in the last few months. So whatever you have learned, just practice it. Practice some coding questions if you are from CSE or any other branch. If you want to do the easy problems, also do the easy problems, but do practice and gain your confidence.
First of all, you have to prepare your resume very well. Whatever you have written in your resume, you must be 100% sure regarding that. If you have any doubt for any particular topic, just remove it from your resume. And like topic like DBMS, OS, OOPS concept, and data structure algorithms, prepare it.
So surely college life is no doubt very harshly affected. We all of us are having lost a lot of fun due to this pandemic. And regarding placements, I would say, particularly in my case, placements were not that much affected, but because I got internship in Microsoft in third year, and after that I received an PPO offer from them. So in my case, it wasn't that much, but I know many people who were affected very badly regarding placements as well.
Yeah, honestly, lockdown has also benefited for me and have some disadvantage. Disadvantage is it ruined my college life because me and my friends planned something for the final year. And benefit is I have enough time to prepare myself for my placements, my overall it's good.
So both the things are fairly apart. College life was ruined completely, but the placements went really great. It went really high as well, because because it gave me much time to prepare on my skills and work hard on my skills.
The COVID-19 pandemic, it's all entered in our life unexpectedly and just stop everything. That it just paused everything in your life. There is also some good thing about lockdown. I got placed in this pandemic. I got the news that I got placed in a decent company. So it's just mixed up, something ups and downs.
कॉलेज लाइफ तो खत्म ही हो गया, 4 साल की कॉलेज लाइफ 3 साल की हो गई एक तरीके से। पर प्लेसमेंट में काफी फायदा हुआ। देखो प्लेसमेंट में क्या है कि टाइम खुद पे देना पड़ता है, तो खुद पे टाइम देने का टाइम बहुत मिला है कि हाँ खुद पे वर्क करें, क्या स्किल्स मेरे में नहीं है, किस चीज में मैं वीक हूँ, वो ज्यादा अच्छे से आइडेंटिफाई कर पाया मैं। लेकिन जब कॉलेज लाइफ होता है ना, एंजॉयमेंट, लास्ट ईयर होता है कि प्लेसमेंट हो जाएंगे तो बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो सब खत्म हो गया एक तरीके से।
तो मतलब 2 सेकंड के लिए तो हम फ्रीज हो जाते हैं, मतलब क्या हो रहा है, सपना है कि सच है। फिर उसके बाद सब मम्मी पापा सबको, मम्मी को बताते, भाई को बताते, घर में मतलब सबको बताते। उसके बाद सो नहीं पाते, रात भर सोए नहीं थे। फिर उसके बाद अपने जो भी क्लोज फ्रेंड है और जो कज़न है उनको भी फ़ोन करके इन्फॉर्म किए। और फिर अगले दिन सुबह मम्मी, तो जितने भी रिलेटिव्स थे, क्लोज रिलेटिव, सबको मम्मी फ़ोन करके इन्फॉर्म कर रही है। फिर सबका मैसेज आ रहा है, कॉल आ रहा है, तो मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था। मतलब एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, बहुत अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग।
Oh, that was like a really great feeling. I was on cloud 9. Placement is something for which you prepare in your 4 years of college, and when you get it, it is something really great which you want to achieve throughout your life.
प्लेसमेंट हम लोग आज तक पढ़ते आ रहे इसी मूवमेंट के लिए, सही बताऊं तो। मतलब क्या अभी तक 16-17 साल, जितने साल भी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं, लगता है कि भाई प्लेस हो जाए, बस कुछ आए अंदर से। और जब प्लेस हो गए ना तो इतने वेव ऑफ इमोशन आएंगे ना कि हाँ सेटिस्फैक्शन, जो मतलब प्राउड खुद पे कि हाँ मैंने कुछ खुद से किया है, और तुम उसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते, मतलब फील ही अलग होगा।
Yeah, so no doubt, Microsoft is a great company, and I was more than happy after getting placement over there. And not only me, my friends and even family was very much happy about it.
Of course, I'm really happy and enjoy that moment, because spending 4 years on BTech and 1 year on JEE, why we are doing this? We all doing this for a better placement.
Like every moment is memorable here. Like we are spending like our last like 10-20 days in our college, and every day feels like we are going to miss it for the rest of our life. But one moment which I want to highlight is the Holi we celebrated last year. So it was just before the pandemic arrived. We never knew that it would be our last big celebration we had. So last Holi was really great.
In college life, actually, there are lots of incidents that I would like to share, and I would say like all the festivals that we used to celebrate, like Holi, Diwali, and whichever festival you name, we used to celebrate it together. So like around hundreds and 150 students used to come together, and all the years, first year, second year, third year, and fourth year even. So it used to be a lot of fun. And then we have our cultural fest, Ogri. In cultural fest we have lots of fun which you guys and like juniors will be surely missing, like cultural night is there, and DJ night is there, lots of things are there. So surely those are quite a few memorable things that I miss. And also like when I was in first year, I still remember our freshers night. So there we used to have lots of fun.
यार इंसिडेंट तो बहुत है, but there is a small incident. Our training coordinator gives us the projector to keep it. We put it in our room and make a home theater, little bit of home theater, and there is a 10 to 15 people who sit together and buckle up the projector. we play lots of music and all other things. I can't tell.
Hostel life, those many things like साथ में बैठ के रात भर बात करना, discussion before examination, फिर the time we spend after the end of examination, सब कुछ याद आएगा.
I miss my Biradars. Biradars is a group name of me and my friends and my room, and there's a rooftop of my mechanical workshop.
Yeah, so the missing is just friends and friends, only friends. So we have become more like a family. So I'm going to miss my friends very much. So from late night chit chats to hostel cooking to enjoying our things to without reason parties and leg pulling and whatnot, everything is being missed.
हॉस्टल लाइफ सबसे ज़्यादा तो हॉस्टल लाइफ मिस करूँगा. मतलब हॉस्टल लाइफ में जो इंजॉयमेंट है ना, पूरी कम्युनिटी लगती है कि एक है. 70 के 70 जितने भी 50 60 70 बंदे, कोई किसी के पास भी कोई प्रॉब्लम लेके जाओ, सब तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं, सब एक साथ एंजॉय करते हैं, सब एक साथ लाइफ देते हैं. मतलब खाना बनाने से लेके कुछ भी काम हो, एक दूसरे की मदद करना. फिर उसके बाद अपने बैचमेट्स, कुछ यहाँ के वेदर भी, इतना अच्छा वेदर तो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. तो ये सब चीज तो बहुत मिस होगी.
I miss my friends and मतलब हम लोग ताश के पत्ते खेलते थे, वो सब एंजॉय करते थे. तो वो सब बहुत मिस किया है. मतलब टीचर्स का तो इतना नहीं कहूँगा क्योंकि मैं क्लास भी बहुत कम गया हूँ, तो टीचर्स को तो इतना मिस नहीं किया है, बट फ्रेंड्स को मैंने.
Yes, so the important thing which I saw this year is that almost all the companies which came to our college had a coding round for all the candidates, irrespective of the branch. So one thing I would like to highlight is that whichever branch you are from, irrespective of your branch, start doing a little bit of coding. It will definitely help you in future, and it will definitely benefit you.
So my session will be focus upon your studies, build your skills, and like enjoy the college life and try to make friends and do interaction, because college life is not just for studying, it is also for exploring who you are and what you truly want to do in life. So make sure you have an all-round development, not just in academics.
My suggestions for you guys is don't stay in crowd, makes your own strategy and keeps your decision right, because your decision decide your destiny.
देखो भाई, हमेशा अपने पे भरोसा रखो. कोई भी काम करो, चाहे पढ़ाई नहीं, कोई भी काम, तो उसमें अपना 100% दो. होना नहीं होना, पास फेल, ये सब लक फैक्टर पे डिपेंड करता है. लेकिन अगर बाद में ये रिग्रेट होता है कि अगर हम अपना थोड़ा सा और बेस्ट दे देते तो अभी मेरी ज़िंदगी कुछ और रहती, ये बहुत गंदा फीलिंग होता. और एक चीज़ और बोलना चाहेंगे, जैसे मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो गया था कैपजेमिनी में, तो उसके बाद फिर हम काफ़ी रिलैक्स हो गए, चिल. मतलब हाँ ठीक है, अपने आप को आप स्किल नहीं कर रहे हैं, बस आराम से कूल बैठे हैं. तो ऐसा नहीं करना कोई, मतलब आगे भी बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी, तो अपने आप को थोड़ा सा आप स्किल करते रहना, थोड़ा सा रिवीजन में रहना, तो आगे जो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी उसमें काफ़ी अच्छे से तुम टैकल कर पाओगे.
देखो, सबसे पहले ना खुद पे ट्रस्ट करना स्टार्ट करो. तब खुद पे कुछ भी, जब ट्रस्ट इंसान को हो जाता है ना कि मेरे से हो जाएगा, तो खुद निकल जाता है. अगर तुम्हें खुद पे ट्रस्ट नहीं हो रहा है कि नहीं निकलेगा, तो तुम्हारे अंदर कुछ ना कुछ जरूर कमी होगी कि हाँ मेरे अंदर इस स्किल्स की कमी है या इस स्किल्स की कमी है, इस कारण मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा. अब जो भी है उस पे वर्क करना स्टार्ट कर दो.
So first I come to third year. Okay, third year I come. So just third year guy, don't panic. We all are there. You can mail me. You can mail any one of my TNP members. They all are helpful. We all help you. Just prepare yourself and भाई औकात दिखा दो कि हम इस कंपनी में प्लेस हो सकते हैं. हमारी औकात है. हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल करा सकते हैं, ये कर सकते हैं ना. बाकी अंदर तो तुमको ही आना है, तुम्हें इंजीनियर बनना है. सो जस्ट प्रैक्टिस ऑन लीड कोड फॉर these 3-4 months for DSA and go for these groups, and there are many videos you can search and you already study, so you better know. And especially for second year, because third year don't have time for these, especially second year you can make 3-4 student group and prepare for competitive coding. I suggest that thing because you have time, you can boost up your knowledge, you can prepare your DSA part, you can go for tech big companies. अब फर्स्ट ईयर पे आते हैं तो भाई अभी तुम नए हो, ठीक है, तो अपना सीनियर से बनाओ थोड़ा, अगर आप वीडियो देख रहे हो तो सीनियर से बनाओ, ठीक है, उनसे पूछो कि सर अभी मैं फ्री हूँ, अगर आप फ्री हो तो जो पढ़ना है डीएसए कहाँ से पढ़ें, वो सब लीड कोड पे आप भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो, शुरुआत कर दो अभी से, ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत मतलब अभी तो आपको खेलने कूदने के दिन अगर बोला जाए, ठीक है, लेकिन आप थोड़ा बहुत लीड कोड पे पढ़ सकते हो और नॉर्मल सा कोई क्वेश्चन मतलब यही उठाओ, क्वेश्चन करो लीड कोड पे करो आप अभी तो, और फोर्थ ईयर के लिए तो भाई आ जाओ भाई पार्टी.
Yeah, so the college is fairly good. The climate is really good, and the internet speed is also, which you will get, is really good, and you will get ample time to work on yourself and improve yourself. Also, the most important thing in a college, like the placement opportunities, is really great here. You will get a great amount of companies visiting us, and so your chances of placements are very high in a fairly very great company. So the college is fairly good and a great college to be a part of.
On college, I have to say that you may not be happy with the campus infrastructure, but I definitely sure you will love the weather condition and natural beauty of our campus. And there is a lot of things to explore it. And guys, please make memories.
अरे कॉलेज काफी अच्छा रहा. क्या बताऊं, मतलब मिक्स टाइप कुछ जैसे होता है ना, कॉलेज आए हम लोग सोचते हैं कि बहुत हाई लेवल कॉलेज होगा, बिल्डिंग्स होंगी, ये होगा, वो सब नहीं था. पर कॉलेज की जो लाइफ थी ना वो काफी अच्छी रही. जो एंजॉय किए, प्लेसमेंट लिए, जब मूवमेंट मिला कि हाँ यहाँ पे एंजॉय करना है, यहाँ पे पढ़ना है, सब किए. तो ओवरऑल अगर मैं एक वर्ड में अगर मैं बोलना चाहूँ अपने कॉलेज लाइफ को तो mesmerizing था.
Actually, college environment is good. It's hygienic. I think not in terms of college wise, in terms of Manipur wise, like वहाँ पे wind अच्छी है, मतलब कोई pollution इतना नहीं है. But yes, you have to take care of yourself.
Yeah, so I think when I joined NIT Manipur, as I told you, like in the first few months, I was not satisfied, and I thought I should change the college. But after that, when I started studying computer science seriously, I realized that college doesn't matter that much. We can even perform from like good if we are in any college. So in overall experience, I would say like whatever I expected from NIT Manipur, it has given me more than that when I see today. And I hope in the upcoming years, it will surely be a great college for students across our country. So overall, it is a great place to study, I would say. And obviously, there are like everything has some flaws, so are in our college. But with the time, I think things are improving, and surely one day it will be like a dream college for many students.